Yeah, Scott, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. So did we bottom yesterday? What are we supposed to do as investors now?
Well, as you know, when sell-offs start, you never know when they're going to finish. But we've already seen such a big reset that I think unless someone thinks the economy's turned and the bull market is peaking, and that's not our view, right? These are great entry points for people because you've got so many stocks down, and yesterday had the feel of get me out of everything, which has been part of this buyer strike. So, yeah, so the bottom line, Scott, is I think people have to look at this as a really attractive opportunity in 2022.
You know, I'm pulling from a note that you guys had, and I think it was from your technical strategist, Newton. Retests look likely.
Yep, Newton.
Mark Newton. So, I mean, you're saying it's a buying opportunity, but some of your people, at least, are thinking that we're going to have retests, right? That this today is likely not the only one. I want to be clear on exactly, as we're telling people now's a buying opportunity, that it still could be turbulent moving forward.
That's right, Scott. Mark, for anyone who wants to use technical and buy entries, which is what Mark's trying to provide insights for, and someone who wants to find a tactical low, when you hit the bottom and everything, from there, the selling is completed. According to Mark's work, we're not there yet. But for someone who's thinking about where the market is 6 months, 12 months from now, and that's really how active managers have to manage, right? Because they're not trying to necessarily catch the bottom, but they're trying to find good entry points. We're already down 10%, and many stocks are down more than 20%. And you've already seen it in the VIX spike, and we've seen it in the inversion of the VIX curve, and the percentage of stocks above the 200 is now around 50%. I mean, these are levels associated with an extremely oversold market. So to me, the one thing people have to remember is if they are participating in this buyer strike, the recovery can be violent. And then they're going to miss, potentially over 3 days, 5, 6, 7% gains. So I think to me, that's why I would say for those tactically minded 6 months out, this is a great entry point.